Good morning. In this video, we will be discussing the sequential multiplication algorithm. Okay. So this is the 4 steps of the algorithm. Step 1, initialize register high to 0, register low to the multiplier. Step 2, if the least significant bit of low register is equal to 1, then add the multiplicand with high and then put the result back in high. Step 3, shift the carry and high and low register right by 1 bit. And then step 4, you are going to repeat step 2 and 3 for 31 more times. So already you did one time. So another 31 time. So totally you will be doing for 32 times. Okay. So this is the idea of multiplication algorithm. So let's see the algorithm with one example. So let's see the example. Let's assume that you are going to multiply 1100 with 1101. So here this is your multiplier. 1100 is the multiplicand. Sorry, this is the multiplicand. 1100 is the multiplicand. I'm initializing. And carry, I don't have any carry now, so let it be. And the product, you will be writing the registers high and low in this. So whatever you get it in this high and low, that's considered as a product. Okay, so now as an example, we are considering only 4-bit data. Okay, so assuming that the register holds 4-bit data. So high is going to be 4-bit, low is going to be 4-bit, even the multiplicand is going to be 4-bit. So you are going to repeat this for that many times. How many bits you have? 4-bit data. So 4 times you are going to repeat the iteration. So that's the idea. Okay. But the algorithm is talking about 31 because MIPS we have 32-bit register. So that's the thing algorithm is talking about 32-bit. In most of the registers, they are 32-bit registers. Okay. Now, we don't have a carry, so high and low. What the algorithm says, initialize high to 0. So 4-bit of high and low register to multiplier. So this is the multiplier 1101. So this is about initialization over. Now I'm starting with the first iteration. Step 1 is over. So step 2, if least significant bit of low is equal to 1 means you will be adding. So which is the least significant bit of low? This one. Now it is 1. That means you need to add the multiplicand with high. Multiplicand with high. Put the result in the high. Multiplicand is 1100 with the high. So you will get the same value and keep the low as it is. Okay. So this is the idea. And here for the carry, I don't have any carry because we don't have any carry here. Okay. So let it be 0. Now step 3 says shift carry and the high and the low to the right side by 1 bit. So you will be shifting this to the right side. So this 0 comes here. 1 and 1 0 here and this 0 goes here. 1 and 1 0. 1 and 1 and 0. This one is gone already. Okay. Okay. Sorry. This is 0. I'm sorry. Here 1, 1, 0. This 0 comes here. 1, 1, 0. This one is gone already. This is a 0. Okay then. Now iteration 1 is over. Now let's move on to the iteration 2. Iteration 2, again the step 2 and 3. It's asking you to check the least significant bit of 0, low register. Now it is 0, so you don't have to do the addition. You go to the step 3. Shift the carry and the high and the low to the right side. So here carry is 0. Is it? When you shift, this 0 comes here to the high register. 0 here, 1 and 1 here. This 0 comes here and 0 and then 1 and 1. Like this is the step 2. I mean iteration 2. Now let's move on to iteration 3. Here step 2 says here if the least significant bit of register low is 1 then add multiplicand and high. So it is now 1. So you need to add the multiplicand and the high. So this and this. Okay, multiplicand is the same. Throughout the iteration, it's going to be the same. I'm not changing anything. So you can write it as it is. So you are adding the multiplicand with the high. So you will get all 1. And leave the low as it is. Don't change anything. Write it as it is. Now shift the carry with the high and low. Carry is 0. High and low to the right side by 1 bit. So this 0 comes here. 1, 1, 1. And this one 0, and then 1. Is it clear? Now third iteration is over. So let me extend a little more. Now I'm going with the fourth iteration. Okay, let the multiplicand be as it is. Okay, now let's see. Okay, 1 second. Yeah. Now you need to check the least significant bit of low register. Now it is 1. So in that case, you need to add the high and the low. Sorry, high and the multiplicand. So high is 1. So high is 0, 1, 1, 1, and then multiplicand is 1, 1, 0, 0. When you add, you get a carry here. This is the answer for addition. So you get a 5 bit. I told you high and low are going to be 4 bit. So you will be writing the 4 bit data in the high register. This carry goes to the register here. So this carry come to the carry register here. This one, this carry is written here. Low as it is. You don't change anything. Write the low as it is. Okay. Now shift the carry and the high and low to the right side. This side. Okay. So this one comes here. 00. And this one goes here. 10. And then 0. Fine. So you are after shifting. This is the answer. 1, 0, 0. 1. 1, 1, 0, 0. So let me close this. So as I mentioned before, in the top in the table, product equal to high comma low. So whatever you have the data in the high register and the low register, that is your product. So what is the data I have here? So my product is 10011100. So this is the answer.